Hi students. Okay, today we are learning the topic is linear differential equation of first order. Okay, na? So what is the definition and what is the solution of the linear differential equation and how to finding the general solution of given first order linear differential equation. Okay, see the definition first of all. So an equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. This equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, where p and q are either constants or functions of x only, is called linear differential equation of first order in y. So we have two types of linear equation of first order, and this is the first type, dy by dx plus py. Here y power only 1 and compulsory. P is the q is the function of x or constants. Okay, now this is called first order linear differential equation, and its solution is given by, okay, first of all, given equation write in the form, the general form dy by dx plus py is equal to q of x. Okay, next to finding the integrating factor. So as integrating factor finding here, e power integration of p of x dx. So in the given equation, this is a p term and this is the integration of p dx. So therefore general solution is given by substituting here y into e power integration of px dx is equal to integration of q of x into e power integration of p of x dx into dx plus c. C is the arbitrary constants. So substituting integrating factor in this one. So that is another form is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. This is the general solution of linear differential equation of first order. Okay, another form of linear equation is second form only. So an equation of the form dx by dy plus p1 of y into x is equal to q1 of y, where p1 q1 are functions of y only. Ikkada p1 of y coefficient only x and x power 1 under compulsory. So that is called, this is a second form of linear differential equation of first order in x. Okay, na? So solution same procedure. Finding the integrating factor here. చూడండి, e power integration of p1 y dy, and this is the integrating factor, the second form of the linear. E power integration of p1 of y into dy is equal to integration of q1 of y into, this is the integrating factor, and into dy plus c, that is equal to another form is x into, and observing the first equation y into, the second form is dx by dy kada, and x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q1 of y into integrating factor into dy plus c is equal to c, where integrating factor is equal to e power integration of p1 of y into dy. This is the definition of first order linear differential equation. Okay, see the example problems here. First problem. So x into dy by dx plus y is equal to log x. Okay, first of all, the given equation can be written in the form linear form or not. So that is equal to given equation. So observing here the dy by dx, and so dy by dx coefficient must be only one undali, only one compulsory. But here coefficient is x. First x is eliminating, and so that is a dividing by x on both sides. So that is equal to dividing by x on both sides, that is equal to, so dy by dx plus 1 by x into y is equal to 1 by x into log x. So observing clearly in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q of x, that is equal to, which is the linear form of this one. Yes, where p is equal to here, so p of x is equal to here 1 by x and into y kada. So p of x is equal to 1 by x, q of x is equal to this one 1 by x into log x. So now finding the integrating factor. So that is equal to e power integration of p of x into dx is equal to e power integration of p of x is equal to 1 by x into dx, that is equal to e power integration of 1 by x log x. So by using the logarithm formula, e power log x base e kada, and x here. This value is a x. This is the indicating factor. So therefore general solution of the given equation of the form. So that is equal to y into indicating factor is equal to integration of q of x into indicating factor of dx plus c. Substituting the indicating factor x here. So that is equal to y into x is equal to integration of q of x is equal to 1 by x into log x here into indicating factor x into dx. See that here x cancel, that is equal to integration of log x plus c. So therefore integration of log x into log x minus 1 only. So that is equal to yx is equal to x into log x minus 1 plus c. This is the general solution of the given linear differential equation. Okay, understood? Yeah, see the next example. Solve dy by dx plus y is equal to x square, and given that y of 0 is equal to 1. And first finding the solution, next finding using this initial condition, we have to finding the particular solution and see constant value find out. So that is equal to given equation. So given equation directly form and dy by dx plus py is equal to q of x. So direct form where p of x is equal to 1. And constant 1 and p of x is equal to 1, q of x is equal to x square. So now finding the integrating factor, e power integration of p of x dx, integration of p is equal to 1 dx, that is e power x. So therefore general solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. Substituting the integrating factor and q of x in this one. So y into e power x, integration of q of x is equal to x square, integrating factor e power x into dx plus c. Now finding the integration of x square into e power x. So that is equal to bypass method, u into v method. So x square into integration of e power x minus integration of x derivative of x square 2x, integration of e power x into dx plus c. So that is equal to x square into e power x. Again differentiation integration is bypass method, 2x into e power x. So 2x into integration of e power x minus integration of derivative of 2x 2. So 2 is a constant, 2 time integration of e power x. So 2 time integration of e power x. So simplification is, so e power x common, x square minus 2x plus 2 into e power x plus c. So this is a required general solution. So now finding using the initial condition, okay, now we have to finding the constant value c, that is a finding particular solution. Put in the above equation, substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. In the above equation we get that is equal to y into e power 0 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 2 e power 0 plus c is equal to minus 1. Okay, c is equal to minus 1. Substituting the equation 2, the required particular solution is y into e power x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2 into e power x minus 1. Okay, now this is the solution of the given equation. Okay, next example here. Solve y dash plus y is equal to e power x. That is equal to dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x. So this is directly general form of linear equation only. So where p is equal to 1, q of x is equal to e power x. Now finding the integrating factor. So that is e power integration of p dx is equal to e power integration of p is equal to 1 dx is equal to integration of 1 x the e power x. Therefore general solution is y into integrating factor, integration of q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. Substituting the integrating factor and q of x. So that is equal to y into e power x is equal to integration of e power x into e power x dx plus c. Now finding this integration value, so substitute method by putting e power x is equal to e power x dx is equal to dt, that is equal to e power t e power x dx is equal to dt, integration of e power t plus c, but t is equal to e power x substituting. So y into e power x is equal to e power x plus c. So this is the required general solution. Okay. Okay, next example. Solve x plus y plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1. So that is equal to x plus y plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1. So we observe that given equation, so dy by dx can be write 1 by x plus y plus 1 together. The denominator x plus y plus 1 cannot separating. So there is no first form of the linear equation. So this equation will be converted to second form of linear differential equation, that is dx by dy and dx by dy converted. So that is equal to dx by dy is equal to here dy by is right outside, dx by dy that is equal to x plus y plus 1. Okay, now what is the general form of the second form? Dx by dy plus p1 x together and x term x power 1 unnam. So in the right side is x, right inside. That is equal to dx by dy minus x is equal to y plus 1. Y plus 1 is equal to q1. Q1 ante function of y. Okay, na? This is the second form of linear equation, that is equal to. Okay, na? Where p1 is equal to minus 1. This is the minus 1 and x here. P1 is equal to minus 1. Q1 of y is equal to, this is y plus 1. Now finding the integrating factor, e power integration of p1 dy is equal to e power integration of p1 is equal to minus 1 dy, that is equal to integration is e power minus y. Therefore general solution is x into integrating factor. X into integrating factor is equal to integration of q1 of y into integrating factor dy plus c, that is equal substituting x into integrating factor is e power minus y is equal to integration of y plus 1 into integrating factor e power minus y into dy plus c. So now finding the bypass method. Okay, u into v method, that is equal to minus y plus 1. Okay, that is bypass method, y plus 1 into e power minus y, u into, that is the y plus 1 integration of e power minus y minus into e power minus y minus into y plus 1 derivative 1. So 2 time integration minus into minus plus, that is e power minus y plus c. So therefore, so this is solution of the given equation, that is equal simplification is minus y minus 1 minus 1. Okay, e power minus y is the common, that is equal to, and dividing by e power minus y. So dividing by e power minus y on both sides, x is equal to here minus 1, that is minus 1 minus 2, that is minus y minus 2 plus c into e power y. So this is a solution of the given equation. And first of all observe the given equation, which form, first form or second form we write in the form. Okay, na? Then finding the solution. So see the next one. Solve x plus 2y cube into dy by dx is equal to y. That is equal to x plus 2y cube into dy by dx is equal to y. So this is also, there is no first form only. Y by right outside x plus 2y cube, y by x plus 2y cube together. But there is no first form. This is also we converted to second form. So that is equal to here second form, right outside dx by dy, y right inside. So dx by dy is equal to x by y plus 2y square. So which form here, x term, x power 1 here right inside. that is equal to dx by dy minus 1 by y into x is equal to 2y square. So this is the second form of the linear differential equation where p1 is equal to minus 1 by 5 కదా అవునా, p1 is equal to minus 1 by 5. This is a minus 1 by 5 p. q1 is equal to y square. Now finding the integrating factor, e power integration of p1 of dy is equal to e power integration of minus 1 by y into dy, that is equal to e power minus 1 by 5 integration log y, that is equal to e power log of 1 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 5 is the integrating factor. So general solution, substituting here in this solution, x into integrating factor 1 by y is equal to integration of q1 is equal to 2y square into integrating factor 1 by y, that is equal, simplification is 1 is the y is the cancel here, integration of y square by 2, so y square by 2 into 2 cancel, y square plus c, therefore x is equal to, right outside 1 by y cube plus cy. This is the solution of the given equation. Okay, so next problem, solve x log x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 log x, that is equal to x log x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 log x here, but dy by dx coefficient here x log x, first eliminating x log x, so dividing by x log x, so that is equal to here, so dy by dx plus 1 by x into log x into y is equal to 2 by x. So this is the first form of linear equation, the first general form of linear equation where p of x is equal to 1 by x into log x here, this is p of x, this is q of x 2 by x. Now finding the integrating factor, e power integration of p dx is equal to e power integration of 1 by x into log x dx is equal to integration of, this is which is can be written 1 by x by log x, which form here f dash of x by f of x, that is equal to log f of x, e power log f of x, that is log of log x, that is equal to log x. This is the integrating factor, therefore general solution is, so y into integrating factor kada, so y into integrating factor log x is equal to integration of q of x ante 2 by x log x into dx plus c. So now finding the integration of this one, which form here 2 into, which is can be write log x into 1 by x right hand. So see that here log x into 1 by x means this is f of x into f dash of x form. Integration of f of x into f dash of x dx means log, that is equal to f of x into f dash form ఏంటిది f of x whole square by 2 కదా, that is equal to log x whole square by 2 cancel here, integration of log x 1 by x means log x whole square by 2, 2 cancel, remaining here y into log x is equal to log x whole square plus c. This is a solution. Okay, yeah, thank you. This is a linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Thank you. For more videos please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.